Hi, my name is Luca. I am a customer service manager in the operations department of an online retail company. I have used Atlas migration services to pretty effortlessly transfer 2 years of customer support data from a CRM called HubSpot into our new Atlas platform, Gorgias. I would say without Atlas migration, this process would have been essentially an almost impossible task, and they made it quite a simple one, even for someone like me who had no previous experience at transferring such a large volume of data fields, especially between two vastly different platforms. Overall, I'm very satisfied with their services, which were reasonably priced, especially considering I was not able to find any other company that could offer this very specific migration between the two platforms I mentioned. I was especially impressed in how promptly they replied to my messages, and they guided me through the entire process, even replying late in the day and over the weekends. We started the migration over the weekend to avoid interfering too much with the customer support work, and we had a very helpful and watchful eye from the Atlas migration team, overseeing the entire process and making sure we had no hiccups. In the end, it was a smooth transition, I would say a complete success, and it made it possible for us to come into work on Monday, basically ready to go back to our routine on our new Atlas platform. In conclusion, I would give the Atlas migration services and their team a 10 out of 10, and I would definitely recommend them to any business looking for an easy solution to migrate their Atlas data.